Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl E.Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If this is your very first time, make sure you click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. So the last video you saw, we worked on our sinking funds. Now we're going to work on our cash envelopes. So cash envelopes basically is a way to help you not overspend. And once you run out of cash, that's it. There's nothing else left for you to have there. It's done. So cash envelopes is a way for you to actually not overspend your money. And I decided that I was going to go ahead and get into the cash envelopes because I do have a problem where it's in my card, or not in my card. The money is in my account so I can see it, so I just spend it. You know, I budget for it, but I spend it. And if I spend a little bit more, whatever, you know, if I spend a little bit less in the department, whatever. I need to do better with those types of things, those situations where I may overspend and be like, oh, it's just a little bit. I want to do better with that. So with these cash envelopes, it's definitely going to help me. So the categories that I have picked out are basically the things that I know I do quite often that I want to make sure that I can capture and be held accountable for. So my cash envelopes are, if you guys have seen my budget, I do my bills first, and then down here I'll do like my groceries, I'll do gas, and then I'll do my lunches. Well, those should be in cash envelopes. So I'm going to put gas down here. I'm going to put my groceries and lunch. And then on top of that, if you guys have seen my budget before as well, the money that I end up with after I've done all that, set all that money aside for those things, then I'll say household and nails. So those should be in cash envelopes as well. I was thinking about making it an expense for my nails. I was talking to someone else about that because like we have to get our nails done. Not have to, but it's something that we do for ourselves, and that's okay. So I was thinking I should just add the expense up there to the top, but I'm just going to use a cash envelope for it until I feel like that's not working anymore. And nails. And then I also wanted to start setting aside what I would like to call fun money, which fun money would most likely be like planner stuff, but that's okay. So I'm going to call it fun money here. Okay. So what I decided to do, I usually put $30 in my tank. It takes $30, and that tank will last me usually all week. So if I do per paycheck, and this is each paycheck, I need to make sure I distinguish that, not by the month, because I'm not doing it by the month. This is definitely doing it by paycheck. And I'm gonna put another piece of washi down because I am just getting a little happy about this skinny washi, and I was like against this skinny washi probably up until I had this idea to put this on there. And I think I've seen other people do this, but whatevs. There we go. So for gas, I'm gonna put $60. For my groceries, I have actually bumped this up because I am starting to eat a little bit more clean, and I believe that this will work for me, eating clean with the vegetables and the fresh items and stuff like that, that this $150 will work. So I'm going to put $150 each paycheck for groceries. I'm doing $50 for lunch, and my household items, $50, which I really think I'm being a little overzealous with this because I can make my tide stretch way longer. Household items for me are like toilet paper or tissue, and I buy in bulk, so sometimes this $50 will be more, sometimes it'll be less, but I think that $50 is a great point for price, like a midway point for that. And I'll see how this does for a month and a half, kind of like tracking my household expenses and seeing how that goes. And then my nails usually end up being about $55. I don't include my tip on there, but maybe I should. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. And then my fun money, I said $50 a paycheck. And this is basically like my allowance to myself, things that I'm able to spend for myself. So that is going to equal a total of $415. per paycheck that will be already allocated that I need to physically go to the bank and take out of the bank every time to make sure that I put it into their prospective places, so that I make sure to only use that money for that. And I think this will really help me see exactly where my money is going. If you guys don't follow At Home with Keita, she has some some do-it-yourself cash envelopes that you can print off and use. I actually am getting ready to print them off now. I am not a DIYer, so I was like, oh, I could do this on like the camera, but nah, I'm not going to do that. I'll just show you guys in my next budget with me what they look like, because I don't want to mess something up and be here all night trying to figure out how to make this cute and all that. I ain't all that yet. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So here's what I'm going to be putting in cash envelopes. And like I said, this is just my list of things that I'm going to be putting in there. I know people use their cash envelopes for all kinds of things, whatever they know that they're spending a lot of money on, that they kind of need to get a hold of and get in track it for the most part. And I really think that this is going to help me, and I'm excited about using this method. Like, I'm super excited about it. So you guys let me know down below, are you guys using cash envelopes? Have you thought about it? I know sometimes people are like, it's unsafe to carry around cash, but I mean, somebody robbed me, they're gonna rob me and get my money anyways. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about cash envelopes down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. KK, bye.